Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign into the Minecraft launcher with your current account and confirm your addition and purchases. Next, prepare the Microsoft account you want to switch to. Make sure email and two-step verification are set up so you won't get locked out. Once done, backup worlds and saves, copy the Minecraft saves or device export to a separate folder or cloud. This prevents data loss when you sign out. Now, sign out of the launcher to begin the account swap process. Now sign out of the Minecraft launcher and any Xbox or console companion apps on your system. After signing out, choose Sign in with Microsoft and enter the new account credentials. Allow the launcher to authenticate. This links Minecraft to the new Microsoft identity. If you play Bedrock on console or mobile, make sure to link the Xbox profile to that Microsoft account so achievements and subscriptions align. Once the new account appears in the launcher, verify your purchases and finish by confirming that purchases, realms, and marketplace content appear under the new Microsoft account. Open a world to check save access. If your worlds aren't visible, restore the backup files to the proper save folder or re-import device exports. Make sure folder names match. If something goes wrong, clear the launcher cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall the launcher. Keep your account emails and receipts handy. If problems persist, contact Minecraft support and provide account names and proof of purchase to resolve linking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.